Welcome to AI Nightfall Gallery. I'm Amanda Sanchez, and this is the unseen process, the part of AI filmmaking nobody shows. Because online, AI film can look instant. A prompt goes in, a cinematic shot comes out, a character appears, a world is built. And suddenly, people say, Hollywood is dead. But that is not the full story. What you don't usually see is the wall behind every finished frame, the failed generations, the broken hands, the wrong lighting, and 50 invisible attempts, sitting in a folder nobody ever sees. Camera move that almost worked, the character that changed faces halfway through the shot, the scene that looked perfect until the tool rejected it for no clear reason. But this is the wall of failed generations. And every AI filmmaker has one. Traditional filmmaking has its own walls too. Actors need casting, studios need booking, locations need permits, the budgets need approval. AI does not remove the creative struggle, it changes where the struggle happens. Instead of standing on a physical set, waiting for the light to be right, you are directing the system. You are adjusting reference, checking continuity, and testing the limits of tools like Nano Banana Pro and Omni Flash to see why they misunderstood your idea. So no, Hollywood filmmaking is not dead. And no, AI filmmaking is not easy. It's a new production method with its own language, its own limits, and its own learning curve. AI does not remove the creative struggle. It changes where the struggle happens. Instead of standing on a physical set, waiting for the light to be right, you are directing the system. That is why anyone interested in making films with AI should take the time to learn the tools and test the workflow. Prompting is directing. This is Amanda Sanchez from AI Nightfall Gallery. This pilot is only the beginning. As we continue creating, testing, failing, and rebuilding, we'll share what we can from behind the scenes. And remember, it's not rejection, it's feedback. It's feedback. Keep creating.